This is just like at Mueller Park in Austin. You have to move everywhere. Actually, Mommy.
Yeah.
I don't think this is our park.
Whose park is it?
Look at that fence and look at that house.
But they've got a fence. This isn't fenced in. No one else is here but us.
I told you no more pushing.
No more pushing.
Look at me. My shoes are really sticky.